All right, so today we're gonna do a quick tutorial on the Propy system on adding in additional parties. So we're gonna go over here to the transaction dashboard that we found from the three lines over here in the transaction section. And we will go to just this top one here. And we've already had this one started, and we wanna add in some additional parties. And this is highly recommended, especially in the beginning, when you're setting up your transaction, to add in all the parties' information that will be involved with this transaction. This just saves you a lot of time later on. It helps you with DocuSign, everything else. So let's say we want to go ahead and add in another party here. You'll click that edit button that I just clicked. You'll click add party. And we're going to type in an email address. We're going to say this is the seller agent. This will be a test agent, and we're going to add in their phone number. And what's going to happen is they will get a notification that they're being invited to the Propy transaction portal, to the email address, and to their phone number. So you can just keep adding people, adding people, adding people, and then at the end, click confirm, and all the invitations will go out to all the people that you invited. So what just happened now is I got a text message saying that I've been invited to this transaction. It asked me to check my email. If I go over to my email, I see that I have an invite here. And then it says to click the button to accept invitation. So I click it, and it takes me straight over to my own dashboard. I don't have to create an account as an outside agent or anything else. All I have to do is accept the invitation. And you'll see that I just got a notification that it's been accepted. And that is about it. So now the outside agent can use the system as well. Maybe it's the TC, maybe it's the title service. And now you'll see that the seller agent has accepted the invite. So everybody that you put into the system will be listed in this area right here, and you'll be able to see if they've accepted the invite or not. And if they have, then they can work with you through Propy. So at minimum, I recommend inviting your clients, whether they're the buyer or the seller. That way there, you can easily use the DocuSign integration, which we will go over in a separate video. Thanks for watching.